Hey there, today I'm going to tell you how to make a story instantly and quickly. This is gonna be a very interesting session, so please don't skip it and watch till the end.
Hi, good evening. Welcome to Clapingo.
Hello, good evening.
How are you, Arundhati?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How are
That's
you?
great. I'm fine, thank you. Would you
Thank
like
you
to
for
try one
asking.
more picture
Yeah,
and
we can
speak?
go for
Speak on.
it.
Yeah. What do you see here?
A starfish.
O- Okay, a starfish. Okay, starfish.
Yeah.
Fine, that's good. So whatever comes to your mind, now this is a shape. It's a star. You can also call it a star or a starfish. You could just start speaking on the starfish or on this shape, star. You can connect it with anything under the sun.
Okay. This starfish is on a beach, and it has come like with the waves of the sea, and is now stranded at the beach, and it is not able to go back to the ocean, and it's trying really very hard to like get back to the ocean, and at end it couldn't, and it just stayed there until someone came and um, threw it in the water.
Okay, okay. So it was saved again. It was
Yeah.
back to its ocean soon. Okay, that's good. So we'll go through some reading cards, and
Okay.
you could just give me one complete sentence. Just make one sentence, not with the word, but whatever comes to your mind. Quickly. Yeah, the first one.
The clapping session was really great today.
Oh, thank you.
English is a really funny language. Season. Winter is my favorite season. Sure. I love seashores.
Okay.
See. I'm glad that I can see. She. She's a good girl.
Mhm. Okay,
Strong. We should all be strong and healthy.
great. The next word.
Special. Everyone has their own specialities in them. They all are unique.
Yes, true. Yeah.
Some things that we never knew that they existed still exist somewhere in the world.
Yeah, correct. Now it's better. Okay.
Yeah.
What words do you remember? Which are the words that you remember from what I showed you right now?
English,
Okay.
session, season, she, see, shore, uh, 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 somewhere, eyes.
Mhm.
No, not eyes. See.
See, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's great. You have given a lot of words. So season, English, shore, sea, somewhere. What I usually make the learners do is they have to make a story with the words that they remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you want to try, you can try it out by writing down the words. I've written, I think, one, two, three, four, five, six. You want to try it out?
Yeah, I can try it out. Just let me just write
So, I,
down the
so I'll
words.
just give you the words.
Yeah.
English,
Yeah.
session,
Yeah.
season,
Yeah.
she,
Yeah.
shore,
Yeah.
sea,
Yeah.
somewhere.
Somewhere. Okay.
You need to make a story with this by using these words or a
Okay.
sequence.
Uh, I was traveling somewhere. Uh, I was traveling somewhere outside India because I had to attend a session for something, and mm, I didn't know the directions in that country, and I had to ask people for help, and they all were talking in English. And I was so confused because their English accent was really very different. The only things I heard were some mumbling and some other things I couldn't understand at all. They were even talking to the other person and saying something like, "She is not understanding us," like that. I was so confused. But then someone with an Indian accent that I was able to understand helped me out and led me to the place where I wanted to be. Mm, When we were getting to that place, I was crossing some parts, and as it was the autumn season, there were many leaves on the floor, on the ground, and they looked amazing. They were just magnificent to look at. And after the session was over, I went to the beach to see some fishes. And at the shore of the beach, there were many seashells, and I loved collecting them. And I just took some of them to my house and played with them for the next 5 months.
That's great. Wonderful. You didn't even think, you just started, speaking. So magnificent, lot of words you added. These were basic words, but you constructed a story. So going abroad, listening to a session, people speaking in English, you're not able to understand, and you come across people who have got that, accent, and they say no, she's not able to understand. So that was great. The way you coined it, the sequence.
Yeah,
That's great. Okay. So this activity, the purpose of this activity was just to help you out with cognition, with your connectivity, the way you connect ideas, words, form
yeah,
sentences. I think you just have to work on sentence structure, syntax. And as you
yeah.
said, it's something funny. Everybody is not perfect at it because we are not native speakers. But with practice, we could do. And you have got a lot of time. You're in grade seven, you've got this much of life, and you could
Yeah.
do so many things. So I think that's the only feedback I have got for you. And keep reading. And already you were using a lot of words, keywords also. One great thing is you understood the aim of a particular activity. So when I was giving you the instruction, you understood the instruction and you were able to execute it very well. So that's great. Okay,
Thank you.
that's great, and it was great talking to you. Do you have any questions? We're coming to the last 2 minutes.
I want to say thank you to you because we I wanted to have a session with you for a long time, and finally I got to have it. You were really going very busy. I could see like your sessions were all booked. Sad.
I'm also very happy to have, taken a session for you, and it was a learning process for me also
Yeah.
because it's great. We don't get children. We don't get children from the school uh, quite often, and we are soon going to start Kids Clapingo, but still really great to meet you. Yeah, so
It's
that
nice
will be
to meet
wonderful.
you too.
Thank you, and stay safe and have a happy evening. Great meeting you. Take care.
Okay. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Bye.